Have you eaten food and repeatedly made a loud, sudden noise that lasted for a few seconds? You know it's not a burp and it was so unexpected. Yes, that's a hiccup. But why do we hiccup? A hiccup starts from a muscle called the diaphragm. This muscle is located below the chest and above the abdomen. When we breathe in, the diaphragm moves down as the air enters into our body, and when we exhale, the diaphragm moves up as the air exits the body. Some things can irritate the diaphragm and cause it to move down quickly and pull air into the mouth suddenly. The air hits the voice box, the vocal cords close, and a sound of a hiccup is made. What can irritate the diaphragm? Stress, overeating or eating too quickly, drinking carbonated drinks like sodas, and a sudden change of temperature are a few reasons. So next time you hiccup, now you know why. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.